Okay, example number 2. Jocelyn has $2.20 in her pocket made up of 27 nickels and dimes. Okay, how many of each type of coin does she have? Okay, so first off, what are we looking for? Let's define our variables. Start with step 1, define the variables.
Nickels and dimes.
Okay, what about nickels and dimes?
Numbers of nickels and dimes.
Numbers of nickel dimes. Are we looking at how much they weigh, how big they are? What are we looking on? What do we want to know? Okay, so N equals number of nickels, and D equals number of dimes. Okay, and we've talked about that usually we have an and, a comma, or a period. We actually don't have that here, do we? Okay, so if I'm looking, there's literally one sentence, it has 2 numbers thrown at us, and that's it. Okay? So, you are using these 2, and they're separate ideas, so they're separate equations. Okay? So if I'm thinking about, let's just start with 27. If she's got 27 nickels and dimes in her pocket, how are you going to write an equation for that? Okay?
I used x and y, but wouldn't it be x plus y equals 27?
Yeah, nickels plus dimes, there's 27 in her pocket. All right? So we can write, that's right, N plus D equals 27. Okay, so there's one idea. Now this other idea, money. Anytime you're dealing with money, okay, I'm trying to see if we've got a problem like this. No, okay. Anytime you're dealing with money, you are always keeping that together in one equation when it's kind of separated like this, okay? Now, I know that we have a total of 220, right?
Yep.
Tell me what you know about nickels.
They have 5 cents.
5 cents. How do you write that?
0.5.
Nope.
0.05.
0.05. 0.5 is 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.05 is a nickel. We would expect you to know that it's 5 cents for a nickel, guys. We're not going to give you that information because we think you should know that by now.
I thought it was 25 or quarter after.
Link, we're not talking about
I
time.
had to do that.
That was just bad. Bad, Link. Bad. All right, what do we know about dimes?
10 cents.
Okay, 10 cents. So 0.10D. Hey, guys. He's talking about how no one knew what time it was when I said quarter after.
Oh, you're bringing that up?
Okay, hey. Focus.
5 cents.
Okay, so if I'm looking at this, you can do substitution or elimination. It doesn't matter. It's a wash. One way is not better than the other on this particular problem. Okay? We are going to go ahead and practice substitution again just because we just did an elimination. So let's go ahead and practice substitution. So what are we going to do if I ask you to do substitution on this problem on a test? What are we going to do here? Maddie, what do you think?
I would take the top equation and then eliminate.
No, I said you have to use substitution. Come back to us. Okay?
What?
You were staring off in space. Yes.
We have to use substitution. So when you have to subtract either the D or the N.
Yeah, good. Okay, so right, we find something with a 1 in front. Don't these both have a 1 in front? So does it matter which one? Ah, just pick one. All right? So let's go ahead and we're going to leave in there. So if we're going to leave in, what are we going to do with that D? Okay, so let's just go ahead and subtract the D off. Okay? So N equals 27 minus D. Now remember, this guy is now out, right? Some of you on your quiz, this is where you messed up. You knew to subtract it over and you did a great job there. But then guess what you did? You took it and put it right back into the same equation. Can't do that. You're laughing. There was more than one of you in here. Okay? So you have to, we talked about that a lot, right? This guy's out of the game. He's like concussed in the locker room, can't do anything, right? Okay? This guy has got to go in on the other equation. Okay?
Wouldn't that equal IMS if you plug it in back in?
Yes. Well, or zero, it just depends on their math, how good or bad the math was. But we had a lot of interesting things when that happened. Okay? So we've got 5 cents, 27 minus D in place of the N, plus 0.10D equals $2.20. Is everybody okay with that?
Question.
Yes, ma'am.
Just kidding.
Okay.
I don't look at them before I
Okay. So what are we going to do now to solve?
Distribute.
Well, you got to distribute. Okay, so what is 0.05 times 27? Put it in your calculator.
$1.35.
$1.35. Okay, minus 5 cents D, is everybody okay with that so far? Plus 10 cents D equals 220. Okay, so what do we do now?
Combine that.
Combine like terms. So what is negative 5 cents plus 10 cents?
15.
Oh, not 15.
Oh,
0.5, right? You're subtracting, different signs subtract, okay? So you've got $1.35 plus 5 cents, so 0.05 D equals 220. Now what are you gonna do? Subtract $1.35, and what do we get there when we subtract $1.35? So 220 minus $1.35. You all have calculators. There's no reason we don't have it done already. Oh, she says.
Oh, yeah,
85 cents. There we go. Okay, so, not 85. 85 cents. Now what are you gonna do? Divide, so go ahead and divide. Tell me what we end up with.
Oh, I added.
You guys have calculators, let's go. 17 is correct. There you go, 17 is correct, right? 2.2 divided by 0.05. Okay. All right, so now you're gonna plug this back in. Where do you guys wanna plug it in at?
The easiest one.
Yeah, the easiest one. I am plugging right there.
Would it just be 17?
Well, so n equals, right, 27 minus 17? So 10. Okay.
No, I mean for D equals, would it be 17 or 17? Just
17 or 17?
cent.
No, it's 7. We're looking for the number of coins. So she has 17 dimes in her pocket. Does that make sense? Okay, she must have raided her parents' change jar or something. Okay. So now, what would my sentence be here?
We make cash with paper.
Well, sometimes when you're broke, you just gotta make do with what you got. Okay. Yes.
The sentence would be, she has 17 dimes and 10 nickels.
Very good. She has 17 dimes and 10 nickels in her pocket. Go ahead and write the sentence.
Maybe she takes some paper.
Nickels, not pickles. That would be
She
the
has
interesting
10
pocket of
pickles.
nickels, dimes, and pickles.
I